Thank you. Good morning, everyone. It's truly my honor to be here at Nasdaq today to ring the opening bell on behalf of iClick, the team, our investors, our customers, and also our business partners. It has been a very amazing journey to get us all to today. Believing in tech and data-driven approach is going to be the future of marketing. We started our business as a small startup in 2009 in Hong Kong with the goal to transform the digital marketing industry using data and technology. So today, the IPO on the Nasdaq is just the beginning. So it will definitely open a new chapter for iClick going forward. So good luck to all of us. Thank you very much.